Okay, so in this first one, when we expand, we gotta multiply this 2x by all three terms. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 5x squared, negative 10x cubed, plus 4x, that's gonna be 8xy. When we have two brackets, we gotta multiply everything in the brackets. So I'm gonna start with multiplying my first with my first term. That's 2x squared. Then I'm gonna multiply my first with my last. That's plus 5x. Then I'm gonna multiply these two, minus 12x. And then I'm gonna multiply those two last. That's minus 30. And then I'm gonna combine the two like terms in the middle. So that's 2x squared minus 7x minus 30. If I have a bracket that's squared, I'm always going to start by writing out the bracket twice, and then I'm going to do the same thing like I did in the last problem. So I'm going to get x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16, which is just x squared plus 8x plus 16. So multiplied all four terms with each other. This one again, it's the same thing. I'm going to multiply the x by all three terms. That's x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x. Then I'm going to multiply the 1 by all three terms. So that's plus x squared plus 2x minus 3. Then I'm going to combine like terms. So that's just x cubed. Those two give me plus 3x squared. These two give me minus x and then minus 3. Same idea in this one here, it's just a bit more complicated. For this one, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that square first. So I'll write most of the equation the same. A minus 6 minus, and here I'm going to split that into 3 minus a, 3 minus a, plus 4, 5 minus a. Okay, I'm going to start with foiling out the two brackets, basically expanding them. So I'm going to put a 2. Now I'm going to put a bracket, so 3a times a is 3a squared, 3a times negative 6, negative 18a, plus 4a minus 24, minus, and then I'm going to, same thing for these two brackets, I'm going to expand them out, so that's 9 minus 3a minus 3a plus a squared, and I'm going to just write the rest the same, plus 4, 5 minus a. Okay, next I'm going to combine the like terms in the bracket. So 2, 3a squared minus 14a minus 24 minus 9 minus 6a plus a squared plus 4, 5 minus a. Now I'm going to multiply each of the numbers outside into the bracket. So here I'm going to multiply 2 into this bracket, so I get 6a squared minus 28a minus 48. This negative is going to multiply into this bracket, so minus 9 plus 6a minus a squared, and this positive 4 is going to multiply into this bracket, so plus 20 minus 4a. Finally, I'm going to combine my like terms. So 6a squared minus a squared is 5a squared. Negative 28a, that's negative 22a, it's negative 26a. And then minus 48 minus 9 is minus 57, plus 20 is minus 37. So that is my final solution. In number 6, it's just two brackets cubed. So I'm going to start by going 9a minus 5, 9a minus 5, 9a minus 5. Then I'm going to start by just writing the first bracket the same. I'm going to FOIL these two brackets out. So that's 81a squared minus 45a minus 45a plus 25. That's 9a minus 5. And combine like terms, 81a squared minus 90a plus 25. And then I'm going to expand out these two brackets. So 9a times all three of those. So 9a times 81 is 729a cube minus 810a square plus 225a minus 405a square plus 450a minus 125. And finally I'm going to combine my like terms. So that's 729a cube negative 810 plus 450 oh no, negative 810 minus 405. That's minus 1215a square, then 225 plus 450 plus 675a, and then finally you have minus 125. So that is my final solution. Then last one, number 7, I'm gonna do it, squeeze it in right here. So that's x squared plus 2x minus 1 times x squared plus 2x minus 1. So now when I'm multiplying this out, I'm taking the first and multiplying all three, then the second and all three, the third and all three. I'll end up with 9 terms. I'm going to continue that down here. X squared times x squared is x4. X squared times 2x is plus 2x cubed. That's minus x squared. Then 2x times these three, so that's plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x. Then negative 1 times those three is just negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. Yeah, I'm going to combine the like terms in this line over here. So that's just x4, 2x cubed plus 2x cubed is plus 4x cubed minus x squared, that's 3x squared, 2x squared. Then I have minus 2x is minus 4x, and then plus 1. So that is my final solution.